Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. In this video, we are going to solve ISS 2019 question paper and statistics paper 1. So, as you know, in our previous videos, we have solved few questions of this question paper. So, in this video, we are going to begin with question number 29. So, question 29 here says, if x is an fmn random variable where m is greater than 2 and n is also greater than 2, then ex multiplied by e1 by x equals 2. Okay, so x is an fm comma n function. So here it is said that x follows function f with parameters m comma n. So as you can see here, in multiplication we need the expectation of x as well as the expectation of 1 by x. So for that we need to also find the function that 1 by x follows. So since x follows f m comma n, then obviously 1 by x will follow same function f, but the parameters will get exchanged. So in this case m comma n. So these are the two functions, these are the two random variables x and 1 by x, and these two follows function f m comma n and f n comma m respectively. So and you can see here m and n are both are greater than 2. So here we have m greater than 2 as well as n greater than 2. And now we need to find expectation of x multiplied by expectation of 1 by x. So from x over here we can find the expectation of x, and as you know this is a function f function, so the expectation will be the second parameter divided by the second parameter minus 2. So this is the expectation of x, and also we need here, as you can see, expectation of 1 by x. So what will be the expectation of 1 by x? Same here, expectation of 1 by x. Now you can see that 1 by x follows function f and the parameters are n comma m. So here we will take parameter m divided by, again here we have m minus 2. So as you can see, we have expectation of x is equal to n by n minus 2, and here we have expectation of 1 by x is equal to m by m minus 2. So in question you can see what we need is expectation of x multiplied by expectation of 1 by x. So let us multiply. Here we have expectation of x multiplied by expectation of 1 by x. So what will happen here, we will multiply both these statements. So in first statement you can see we have n divided by n minus 2, and this is multiplied by m divided by m minus 2. This is m divided by m minus 2. So the numerator here n and m gives us mn, and in denominator we have n minus 2 and m minus 2. So m minus 2 multiplied with n minus 2. So this is basically the answer of expectation x multiplied by expectation 1 by x, which is m into n divided by m minus 2 into n minus 2. So this is our answer. Now let us check the options. So in option C you can see it is m multiplied by n divided by m minus 2 multiplied by n minus 2, and this is what matches with our answer. So option number C is the correct answer to this question. Option C is the correct answer of question number 29. Now moving on to the next question. So after 29 we are going to solve question number 37. So this is a very interesting question, and now let's solve question number 37. So in question 37 what you can see is, let x be a continuous random variable with PDF. So here you can see we have x as a random variable and fx as the PDF, probability density function of this random variable, and this has been divided into 4 different values for different ranges. If x lies between 0 to 1, the value of this function is ax. If x lies between 1 to 2, the value of this function is simply a. If x lies between 2 to 3, the value of this function is minus ax into 3a plus 3a, and any other function of x, the value of fx will be equal to 0. Now what is the value of constant a? Okay, so as you know, since this is a PDF and this is a continuous random variable, this reading continuous word, what we first come to our mind is integration. Integration of what? Integration of the PDF, which is fx over here, and the limits will be x and dx. And as you know, this is a continuous random variable with a PDF fx, so this should be equal to 1. This is always equal to 1, and since this is continuous we are using integration fx dx is equal to always 1. Now we have different ranges, so we will divide our integration into these different ranges. So this can be written as the ultimate range, as you can see, is starting from 0 till 3. So this is from 0 till 3. Function fx dx will be equal to 1. And now we need to divide this integration into three parts. First limit will be from 0 to 1, where the value of fx is, as you can see here, ax. So this is ax dx. Then we will have plus. Then the second range is from 1 to 2. Again, the value of fx is a over here. So this will be simply a dx, plus the third will be from 2 to 3. And as you can see, elsewhere the value of fx is 0. So anything, any value of x which is not in this 0 to 3 range, the value of function will be 0. So I will not consider that. So we have the last function 2 to 3, where the value of fx is minus ax plus 3a dx, and this whole function will be equal to 1. This whole summation will be equal to 1. So what we need to do is we need to simply integrate this function and find the values out of it. So since you can see a is a constant over here, so a is a constant which will come out of integration, and this will be x square by 2, and the limits are from 0 to 1. Plus in second function you can see a simply a, and then the integration, and we have nothing over here, so we have simply a 1 multiplied with a. So this will give us x, and the limits are from 1 to 2. Plus again what we will do is we will break these two parts, break this integration into two different parts. So first part will be integration from 2 to 3, it is minus ax, plus integration 2 to 3, this is 3a dx is equal to 1. So now simplifying this over here, we will get, this is x square by 2, first we will put 1, so this is half, so this is a by 2, and we will put 0, so the ultimate result will be 0. And in second term here you can see we have 2 minus 1, so this will be 1, which will simply give us a. In third term here you can see this third term, which is limits 2 to 3 minus ax, so minus a will come outside as a constant, minus a, and here we will have integration of x square, limits will be x square by 2, the limits are from 2 to 3. And in fourth term you can see whole 3a is a constant, so this will come outside 3a, we will get 1x, and the limits are from 2 to 3, the sum will be equal to 1. So solving it further, we will get over here is a by 2 plus a, this is minus, this will be 3 square minus 2 square by divided by 2, so this is 9 minus 4, that is 5 by 2, so this will be 5a by 2, plus we have 3 minus 2 is 1, so this is 3a, which is equal to 1. Now we can simplify this, and here we will get minus 4a by 2 plus 4a is equal to 1. So this is simply minus 2a plus 4a is equal to 1. This gives us 2a is equal to 1, and the resultant value of a is 1 divided by 2. So this is what we have been asked in the question, what is the value of constant a, and here we have found constant a is equal to 1 by 2. So let us check the options. In option number B you can see the answer is 1 by 2, so option B is the correct answer to question number 37. So question number 37 answer is option number B. So we have solved few questions. Now I will like to end this video here. You will find more solutions to ISS 2019 question paper, statistics paper 1 in our further videos.